Get a lead!
It's going, man.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit!
Oh shit, it's taking a lot of it.
That's what they're supposed to do there, boy! Woo! Oh yeah, see that? Oh yeah!
Oh, no. Maybe that's my fish.
Isn't that? Oh! Ooh! I just got hit right at the GoPro. You saw that, Lee?
Yeah.
Oh! Get him, Lee. Dude, right at the GoPro. Got that stuff in there, Lee? Come on! Oh, I'm on! Fish on! Woohoo! Woohoo! Herman! Yeah! Woo! You don't know our mission today, bro. Oh, he came off, bro. He's still on. Woo! Oh, yeah, baby! Yeah, yo! Yeah, triple! Come on, Herman! The same color you're using, Herman. Same color you're using, bro. Yeah, baby! Woo! Yeah! He's running, boy! Oh!
Let me know if we are getting too close.
Yeah, we got mine! Woohoo! The big one, Lee! Holy shit, Lee!
Got mine, I got mine.
That's a good one! God damn! He's taking me under the boat! Ah! Damn! What a fight! Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo! Ah, yeah, baby! Ah! 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 Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah!
Let me.
It only took us 8 hours!
Here. You got camera. You got camera? My.
No, I don't even have my GoPro on.
Don't let you lie.
Ooh, he ripping you! He ripping you!
This guy, you can let the fish go.
These fish don't play, huh, Urban? These fish don't play.
No rain jacket, no problem.
No, nothing.
Got him on the back end, right? Yeah. Oh shit! I think he's off.
No, really in effect. Oh yeah, he is off now, huh?
No,
Oh no, he's still on. Yeah, they're just fast, bro. They're just fast. Yeah, they run in. The same. I thought the same thing with my
Holy
fish.
Shit. Yeah, bro.
Go ahead.
That's a big one, dude. Can you find me the net?
Where is it? Oh yeah, I can see it. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed and stay hooked, anglers. See you on the next one.